In today's fast-paced world, financial literacy is more crucial than ever, and one book that has made waves in this arena is David Bach's 𝗬𝗵𝘁𝗃𝗏 𝗪𝗍𝗡. This groundbreaking work introduces readers to automatic wealth building, a strategy that empowers individuals to take control of their financial futures without constant monitoring. Bach emphasizes that the key to financial success lies not in earning a high income, but in making smart, automated decisions that lead to wealth accumulation over time. At its core, the Automatic Millionaire teaches that anyone can build a secure financial future by setting up automatic savings and investment plans. Imagine having your savings grow effortlessly while you focus on living your life. This book breaks down the principles of automating your finances, making it accessible for everyone, regardless of their current financial situation. But why is this so important? In a world where financial stability can feel out of reach, understanding how to manage your money effectively is a game changer. It's not just about saving, it's about creating a system that works for you, even when you're not actively considering it. So let me ask you this. What would your life look like if you could effortlessly build wealth without the constant worry about your finances? As we dive deeper into the principles of the Automatic Millionaire, keep that question in mind. Your financial future could be brighter than you ever imagined. And if you're ready to take control of your financial future, subscribe now so you don't miss out on more powerful insights like this. The power of automation. Making financial decisions can often lead to decision fatigue in our busy lives, leaving us overwhelmed and less likely to take action. This is where the power of automation comes into play. Automating your savings and investments can simplify the process and eliminate the mental burden of making those choices repeatedly. Imagine setting up a system where a portion of your paycheck is automatically transferred to your savings account or invested in a diversified portfolio. This saves you time and reduces the stress associated with managing your finances. The psychological benefits of automation are profound. When you automate your finances, you create a sense of security and control. You no longer have to worry about forgetting to save or invest. It becomes a seamless part of your routine. This shift in mindset can lead to healthier financial habits and ultimately, greater wealth accumulation. Consider the story of Sarah, a young professional who struggled to save money each month. After reading about automation, she set up automatic transfers to her savings account and a retirement fund. Within a year, she had built a substantial emergency fund and was well on her way to a comfortable retirement. Now think about your financial habits. Are you manually transferring funds each month? Or could automation simplify your life? By embracing this powerful tool, you too can unlock the potential for financial success and enjoy peace of mind knowing your future is being taken care of effortlessly. The latte factor. Have you ever heard of the latte factor? This concept, popularized by David Bach, highlights how small daily expenses can significantly impact your overall wealth. It's easy to overlook these seemingly insignificant purchases, like that daily coffee run or those mid-afternoon snacks. However, adding them up over time can substantially dent your finances. Let's consider a relatable scenario. Imagine you spend $5 on a coffee every weekday. That's $25 a week, about $1,300 a year. Now think about what you could do with that money instead. You could invest it, save for a vacation, or even contribute to your retirement fund. The reality is that these small expenses, while they may feel harmless, can accumulate and hinder your ability to build wealth. Now let's take a moment to reflect on your spending habits. Are there daily expenses that you could cut back on? Perhaps it's that takeout lunch you grab a few times a week or those impulse purchases at the store. By tracking your spending, you can identify areas for improvement and make conscious choices about where your money goes. So why not take a closer look at your daily habits? By recognizing the impact of small expenses, you can start making changes that lead to significant financial growth over time. Remember, every dollar saved is closer to achieving your financial goals. Setting financial goals. Setting clear financial goals is a crucial step in achieving financial success. Without defined objectives, it's easy to drift through your financial journey without a clear direction. Specific, measurable goals not only provide motivation, but also serve as a roadmap for your financial decisions. You can create actionable steps when you know exactly what you want. For instance, Consider someone who wants to save for a home. Instead of a vague goal like, I want to save money, they might set a specific target. I want to save $20,000 for a down payment in the next 3 years. This clarity allows them to break down the goal into manageable monthly savings, making it easier to stay on track. Successful individuals often use effective goal-setting strategies to reach their financial aspirations. For example, many entrepreneurs set SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This framework helps them create realistic plans that align with their long-term visions. By setting deadlines and tracking progress, they maintain focus and motivation. Now it's your turn to reflect on your financial aspirations. What do you want to achieve in the short and long term? Whether paying off debt, saving for a vacation, or building an investment portfolio, take a moment to write down your goals. By putting pen to paper, you solidify your intentions and create a powerful commitment to your financial future. Clear goals are the first step toward transforming your financial dreams into reality. Investing for the future. When building wealth, the significance of investing early and consistently cannot be overstated. One of the most powerful concepts in investing is compound interest, often referred to as the eighth wonder of the world. Simply put, compound interest allows your money to grow exponentially over time. When you invest, not only do you earn returns on your initial investment, but you also earn returns on the interest that accumulates. This snowball effect can lead to substantial growth in your wealth over the years. For example, consider two individuals. One starts investing $200 a month at age 25, while the other waits until age 35 to invest the same amount. By reaching 65, the early investor will have significantly more money thanks to the power of compound interest working in their favor for an extra decade. Various investment vehicles, such as index funds and retirement accounts like 401ks or IRAs, are worth considering. Index funds offer a low-cost way to invest in a diversified portfolio, while retirement accounts provide tax advantages that can enhance your savings. No matter your current financial situation, it's never too late to start investing. Even small contributions can add up over time. The key is to begin now and remain consistent. So take that first step today. Set up an automatic investment plan or open a retirement account. Your future self will thank you for your decisions today as they lay the foundation for a more secure financial future. Creating a financial safety net. An emergency fund is a crucial aspect of financial health that often gets overlooked. Limited acts as a financial safety net, providing peace of mind and security in times of unexpected need. Life is unpredictable, and having a cushion can make all the difference when faced with sudden expenses, such as medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. Consider the story of Mark, who faced an unexpected medical emergency. He scrambled to cover the costs without an emergency fund, leading to stress and debt. In contrast, his friend Lisa had built a solid emergency fund. When her car broke down, she could pay for the repairs without hesitation, allowing her to maintain her financial stability and peace of mind. An emergency fund typically consists of 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses and can be a lifesaver during tough times. Knowing you have money for emergencies allows you to focus on other financial goals without worrying about what might happen next. Now let's take a moment to reflect on your financial situation. Have you started building your safety net? If not, it's time to prioritize creating an emergency fund. Start small. Set aside a little each month until you reach your goal. By establishing this financial buffer, you'll protect yourself from unforeseen circumstances and gain the confidence to navigate life's challenges more easily. Your future self will be grateful for the security you create today. As we wrap up this discussion, let's recap the key takeaways that can help you succeed financially. We explored the power of automation, highlighting how setting up automatic savings and investments can simplify your financial management and reduce decision fatigue. By making your finances work for you, you can focus on what truly matters while steadily building your wealth. We also emphasize the importance of setting clear financial goals. Specific, measurable objectives provide direction and motivation, allowing you to track progress and make informed decisions. Whether saving for a home, building an emergency fund, or investing for retirement, having defined goals can transform your financial future. Now it's time to take action. If you haven't already, consider automating your savings and investments today. Reflect on your financial aspirations and write them down to solidify your commitment. Remember, every small step counts toward achieving your larger goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more self-improvement content and financial tips that can empower you to take control of your finances. We're here to support you on this journey. Lastly, we'd love to hear from you. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. What financial goals are you working toward? How has automation impacted your financial habits? Your insights could inspire others in our community. Thank you for watching, and let's continue to grow together on this path to financial wellness. If you want to dive even deeper into financial freedom, check out our summary of Benjamin Graham's The Intelligent Investor, one of the most important books on long-term wealth building and smart investing. It's a must-read for anyone serious about mastering their finances